So my name is Mitch. I'm the owner and the CEO of Zyci CNC Machining, and we're based in Chamblee, Georgia. So at Zyci, we manufacture precision machined parts for critical industries. And when we think about critical industries, we think of industries like satellites, missiles, rockets, aircraft, high precision robots, things along that line. We have about 50 employees, 30 CNC machines, continue to grow. We've achieved our certifications for AS 9100, NIST 800-171, and we have a blue chip customer base. So we make precision machine parts for critical industries, and those critical industries demand high precision. But yes, tolerances for sure, a few 10,000ths of an inch. But a lot of it is more than just tolerance. It's precision and execution. It's attention to detail. There's a lot of surface finish requirements, many things over and beyond the tolerances. And that's one of the things that we have learned being in the industries that we serve, is making precision parts is not a real differentiator today. Machine tools are great. Tooling is great. It's pretty easy to hold tight tolerances. What's more difficult is the precision execution and the attention to detail that goes into every part. So sort of the cornerstone of Zyci, or there's sort of three pillars we think about. There's service, there's creativity, and there's partners. And I'll touch on each one of those a little bit. We're a very service-minded culture. We realize we serve our customers. We're only in business because of them. On the creativity side, we think about how to solve customer problems in the most efficient and economical way for them. We're experts at making parts. We're experts at manufacturing. They're experts at designing, building their product, marketing their product. And so I think they rely on us more than just providing them parts, but they rely on us for expertise. And then in terms of partners are very important. And that's partnerships across all aspects of the business, whether that's raw materials, machine tools, tooling. We have to be, if we're going to service our customers in the way we do, we have to know that those partners are going to service us and stand there with us to be just as creative when we need that help. And so we try to be pretty darn loyal to our partners, because we think you can't just do one-off transactions and expect them to jump through hoops when you need them. So we like to focus on building a partnership, building that loyalty, so that we can stand together to serve our ultimate customer, and we all win from that. We consider Lyndex-Nikken to be one of those critical strategic partners for us that helps us move fast and bring creative solutions to our customers. We have a lot of Lyndex products. We have SK holders, we have shrink fit holders, we have milling chucks, we have live tools for our turning centers, we have chucks for our turning centers, we even have a right angle milling head that gets a lot of use. One of the things that we really like about Lyndex-Nikken is the breadth of products that they have. And we know they're going to be quality, right? We use when we use their chucks for milling, we know we're going to get better tool life, less run out, end mills are going to last longer. The other thing that we love about Lyndex-Nikken is that they show up for us with the application support. The people that support the products, they're not just salespeople, they're people that have used the tooling before. They have great domain expertise. They're able to look at an application and help us come up with a creative solution with whatever Lyndex-Nikken products they can bring to bear.
My name is Matt Price. I'm a senior machinist here, and I work at Zyci. Here at Zyci, we have a lot of aerospace customers that require a lot of really tight tolerances and ultra precision features. The SK collets really help with that. As far as improved tool life, we really see it, and then run out is unmatched.
I'm Chance Martin, and I'm the lead mill machinist at Zyci here in Atlanta, Georgia. So one of the reasons we choose Lyndex-Nikken shrink fit holders is for its compact design. A lot of times in the aerospace industry, we have to reach deep down into tight spaces, and you sometimes need that clearance. Another benefit is run out. Run out goes along with tool life. The more you can minimize, the maximum you can get out of tool life.
Another of our strategic partners is Okuma. And we've become a big fan of Okuma machines because of the rigidity, the tolerances that they're able to hold, as well as the support and creativity from Okuma. So if you're going to buy high quality, high precision CNC machines, you need to have the best tooling, otherwise you're compromising what you bought. Right? You wouldn't take an expensive high-end machine that can hold microns and put low tolerance tooling in it. So that combination of Okuma with the Lyndex-Nikken tooling seems to work out super well for us, and it's a great investment. As a business owner, I'm constantly thinking about return on investment. And that's in all aspects of the business, whether that's employees, machine tools, software, tooling. Now, there's tooling that you can buy at all ranges, low cost, high cost, different quality levels. And we find that the Lyndex-Nikken products are a really good balance of quality and price, meeting that level of precision that we need. But there's a lot more that goes into it than just the level of precision. It's longevity, it's how much longer do your end mills last due to that no run out virtually. All those things factor into the return on investment. And so we have found Lyndex-Nikken to be a fantastic ROI.